Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play CISSY Strut by the Meters from 1969 on electric guitar. This one's going out to my brother Cale out in Seattle. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And we'll start with an easy riff that goes like this. In order to play that riff, we're going to start at fret 5 on the G string, go to fret 3, fret 5 on the D string, and then we'll take the little finger and go to fret 6 on the A string, bend it a little bit like that, just pull on it, and then end up on fret 3 of the A string. So that's then we'll go to the low E string and play. So that's fret 3, fret 5, fret 3 on the A string, back to the low E string, fret 5, and then back to the A string, fret 3. So that's so here's the entire thing. We'll follow that with 2 chords here at fret 10. That first chord is a B flat chord formed by barring fret 10 as far as the D, G, and B string are concerned. And then we're going to bring in the middle finger to fret 11 on the B string and fret 12 on the D string. And I'm aiming for those 3 strings. And that's a down, up. And then we'll go to an F chord by just barring fret 10 as far as the D, G, and B string are concerned. And we'll strum that up, up, like that. So it's down, up, up, up. Then we'll start our riff again. So it's next is our bridge riff, and we'll play it this way. We'll play that riff by going to fret 5 on the G string and then to fret 5 on the D string. So it's so that's fret 5, 5, 5, and then we'll go to fret 3 on the G string, back to fret 5, then back to fret 3. So that's then we'll break it down like this. For that one, we're going to go to fret 5 on the G string, fret 5 on the D string, fret 5 again on the G string, fret 3, and then we'll go down to the A string, fret 6, and end on fret 3 on the A string. So that's so the entire thing is last thing we'll need to do is to learn how to strum a chord during the organ solo. It's E minor 7 flat 5, and we're going to play it this way. In order to play that chord, we're holding down the G, B, and high E string at fret 3, barring it like that, and then we're going to bring in a finger to fret 2 on the D string, and that's our chord. E minor 7 flat 5. That's down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down. Well, all right. That's how I play Sissy Strut by the Meters on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.